guys, what's going on? Today's Saturday. I'm gonna start taking stuff off the car, and I'm heading right now to the post office to pick up my harness. Hopefully, well, it should be there. 100% should be there. As you guys heard from the last vlog, the guy has been fucking me over, and it's been a week. So now I'm gonna go pick it up because they told me to go pick it up like Friday or Saturday, so I could definitely be ready. Because I went and they told me that none of the packages from like the 20th to the 23rd were ready to be given out yet. I was like, that doesn't fucking make any sense. That post office is ass. So I'm in my Jeep right now. I'm gonna go pick up the harness. I'm just gonna do like minimal stuff today. To the Civic, I'm probably gonna just drain the antifreeze, stuff like that. Take off piping. Let's see. Let's see what I get done today. I'm definitely not planning on dropping it, but we'll see what I get done. Well, I'm not picking up my package. It's a fucking disaster over there. Like, I don't even know when I'm gonna be able to pick up my package. The line to pick stuff up was like literally down the block. Like, this post office is fucking trash. So I have no idea when I'm picking my package. I might ask for redelivery or I don't know, figure something. I'm probably just gonna do a redelivery because this is not it. Shouldn't be this hard to deliver package. Like, the guy, yo, whatever. I'm on my way back home now. Oh yeah, I got the fuse box, battery out, got all the ground, well, most of the grounds out. I'm messing up with some more grounds here. Got to take off this piping, drain the coolant, take radiator off, take out the catch can from here. Got to pull out the harness from over there. I can't do the access today because my dad forgot to bring the 38. So that's gonna have to wait for another day. But yeah, my job is to basically eliminate everything around it. That way, next week, all I gotta do is pick it up, take out the axles, mounts, and the motor's down. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to do this little stuff, and yeah, one step closer. All right, so everything has been taken off from there, radiator, everything. Just gotta take off the heater core lines, return line is off. I gotta take off the harness from here. I think that's about it. Throttle cable is off. I gotta take this off for the boost gauge. Yeah, I think everything else is done. I can't do the axles. I'm just gonna do the shift linkage last, and she should be ready to drop by next week. Everything is off. Well, I gotta take off the clutch line also, but it's ready to go. All right, basically everything is out already. Everything, heater core lines, radiator, gas line, returns, everything, clutch line, everything is literally ready to go. Just gotta take out the harness. It may seem like it's a lot, but I'm literally gonna drop it with everything because it's able to come out this way. And I'm just gonna give it to my boy like that. That way he could just literally plug and play, put everything back in the same way, and he's good to go. Chilling. You don't have to do much. Just get a tranny. I'm giving it to him with the harness and everything, so we gotta just run the harness through, connect it. Literally everything. You don't have to take off the fuel rail jet. You don't take nothing. Literally plug and play. Oh shit. What? Oil is probably gonna come out of it. Not even pop it, I think it is. Damn, this motor is black from the thing. Everything is off. This is off. Okay, this one goes down. You loosen the everything. I think we can put get it to the bottom.
Bring it this way. Bring it. You can't bring it this way.
No, not. It has to go this way. Oh, down. Yeah, jack up the car then. You safe in there? Go. Fuck. Good? Yeah. Keep going. A little bit more. Let's go right there. This is mine.
Hold that with a big smile.
In top of your bed, you're gonna need it later.
This?
Yeah.
I don't even know what that is. The hell's this day in the backyard? Alright guys, I just came back from Advanced Auto. I went there to grab a 32 because, again, I forgot to tell my dad to bring the 32 and the gun. But I also wanted to get a 32 just so I can have it in my car all times. Basically, I just took off manifold, intercooler. Everything is out of the car already. I'm sure that everything is already just ready to be dropped. Yeah, basically, I don't know if I'm thinking if I'm gonna do it now or maybe next week. But I don't know, might end up leaving it for next week. I don't know. Everything is already done. I just gotta literally, like I said, just take out the axles, and that's about it. Well, and the shifter, the shift linkage, and everything is done and ready to come out. Food break. Yeah, see, I can just leave right there and it holds on the cart. It's gonna come out or no? See if it comes up. Alright, so I just packed the car away. We had to cut it, we had to stop. Axles are about to come out, but the low control where the ball joint is at, I can't hit it out because also forgot to tell my dad to bring the hammer, so I don't have a hammer for that. So yeah, but closing it over here and picking up next week. Let me show you guys. Yo, this is finished. So my dad's gonna take it back to Home Depot and see if they could fix it or something. But yeah, I'm going to come back here and show you guys. Yeah, my dad passed by to see what's up with the car. Got the socket. I don't really need the socket, so I'm going to go return it, get my money back, because my dad has a 32 back there. So, yeah, that's where the car is at right now. Next week, my dad's going to bring me a 32, a mallet, so I can knock out the lower ball joint with a low control arm, and I could pop out the axle from both sides, and then yeah, I could do the swap. Hopefully, I'm hoping to do next week, but next week is Easter, and we always do like a little Easter thing in my house. So yeah, let's see. Let's see how much I can get done next week. Hey, what up, guys? Just wanted to close out the video. Yeah, so the plan is next week, I'm not gonna be able to drop the swap because Easter, so I don't want to leave a mess because I got people coming over. We're gonna do like some backyard stuff, so I'm gonna leave it for the week after, and then I should be good because again, I don't want to, take down the motor, and then obviously there's gonna be some oil and stuff, and I don't want to have to leave some stains. And we're gonna have family stuff over for Easter. We're gonna do like a little Easter stuff, little Easter thing that we always do every year. So I just don't want it to be like real messy and whatever. So not in a rush, but I wanted to close the video. And I know a lot of people have been asking me, they've been wanting to see like, where I game at in my little spot. So I guess we can do that, I guess, to show you guys, because I know a lot of people have been asking me. The spot is pretty lit though. Guess we could start like over here. My little good vibe sign, got this off of Amazon. It's actually pink and blue. You can't really see because of the, there you go. That's how it looks. It's pink and blue. I have to adjust it. Got the nice light going over here. Give it a good, nice little vibe. Then there's my playing area right here. You guys can see, got my monitor. Got my Xbox back there. Got my built-in Joy sign. Ooh. This is the light that I use for a lot of you that wanted to know. It's called a skylight. It's pretty lit. Look at that. You can just adjust it however you want. Like moves and stuff. Yeah, there's my little area right here. Don't mind over there. It's a little messy over there right now, but yeah. This is my spot. Got my TV up there. Circuit cutter down there. Got my drinks. My daughter did this, so I just hung it up. But yeah, this is my spot. That's what it looks like. Pretty lit. Got the lights down here, you guys can see. LED lights. Change them to whatever color I got up here, down here, and I got back there. I'm actually streaming right now too. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys my little spot. Got a fridge right there, chilling. Alright guys, so that's that. I want to close the video. Make sure to hit the like button, comment down below anything. I'm gonna answer you guys back. And I'm so excited to get this build cracking. Also follow me on Twitch, cause your boy be vibing out. I gotta get a camera and stuff like that soon. And I should be good. Build to enjoy, guys. Peace.